Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I teach two effective length of compression member. Let's see short trick how to remember effective length of compression member, and it is so simple for you, and you remember very simply of all six all six all six length effective length. Let's see. First point is effectively held in position, restrained in the direction at both ends. That means that answer is 0.65. uh, Effectively held in position, that means 1 1, and restrained in the direction at both ends, that means 1 1. It is simple trick is 11 11. First. Second, effectively held in position at both ends, that means 1, that means 1 1, and uh, restrain in the direction at one end, that means one end means 1 and second is 2. It's simple trick is 11 12. Then third, effectively held in position at both ends but not restrained in the direction. Effectively held in the position at both ends, held in position both ends 11, and but not restrained in the direction, that 2 1. The third one is simple trick is 11 to 1. Fourth one, uh, effectively held in position and restrained in the direction at one end, and other end effectively restrained in the direction but not held in position. You see, effectively held in position and restrained in the direction at one end, that means 1 2, and again other end effectively restrained in direction but not held in position. Again 1 2. It's simple. Fourth has a simple means 12 12. Then 5, effectively held in position and restrained in the direction at one end, and other end partially restrained in the direction but not held in position. 5 1 is so simple. 5 1 has a keywords of partially restrained, that means that answer is 1.5. Partially answer is. And 6 1 is so simple again, effectively held in position and restrained in the direction at one end, and not held in position or restrained in the direction at other end. 6 has a one words used to not held in position or restrained in the direction at the one end. That simple answer is 2. You see, first of 11 11 11, answer is 6 5. Then second is 11 11 12, answer is 0.8. Then third one is 11 to 1, answer is 0, answer is L. Fourth one is 12 12, answer is 1.2. 5 has a simple keywords partially, then answer is 0.5. And 6 has a keywords of not held in position or restrained in the direction at other end, that answer is 2. Thank you friends, and it is so useful for you.